Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about real ways to make money in crypto. Today, I'm reviewing a tool that's been gaining a lot of traction among Memecoin traders. It's called MoonPup. If you've ever missed a 10x move because you couldn't react fast enough or got caught in a rug pull, this bot might completely change how you trade. Let's go through what it does and how it can help you actually earn more safely and automatically. The first thing you'll see inside MoonPup is network selection. You can choose the blockchains you want to work with, from Solana and Ethereum to Base and BNB chain. The cool part? You can turn on multiple networks at once. That means you can monitor and trade several ecosystems simultaneously without switching platforms or wallets. Once you've chosen your networks, it's time to connect your wallets. By clicking Connect Wallet, you can link the ones you already use. Or, if you want new wallets for your trading setup, just hit Generate Wallet and the bot instantly creates fresh ones for you. Every wallet you've added shows up in My Wallets, complete with its individual balance and your total portfolio value. Need to back up a wallet? Click on it to see the private key. Everything is transparent and under your control. Now here's where things get serious. In Buy settings, you tell MoonPup how and when to enter trades. Anti-scam protection is the first line of defense. It watches the blockchain's mempool for suspicious actions. If it detects something shady, like a hidden blacklist or a liquidity rug, the bot reacts instantly, selling before you lose your funds. Auto buy lets MoonPup buy tokens automatically according to your custom filters, perfect for sniping new Memecoin launches. To stay safe from MEV bots, you can enable anti-MEV mode. It routes your orders through JITO relays, making your trades private so frontrunners can't exploit them. You can fine-tune everything. Market cap range, set the size of projects you're targeting. Liquidity range, filter out weak or illiquid pools. Tax limits, define the max buy and sell taxes you're willing to accept. Gas price, balance between transaction speed and cost efficiency. These filters give you full precision over which tokens you engage with and when. Now, let's move on to the sell settings. If you enable Confirm Sell, you'll have a safety step before selling everything at once. This simple feature saves you from accidental exits. The Auto Sell module handles automatic take profits and stop losses. Take profit %, the gain at which MoonPup locks in your earnings. Stop loss %, the loss level where it automatically cuts the position. Trailing stop loss dynamically adjusts your exit threshold upward as the token's price rises, meaning you can protect profits without watching the chart 24/7. You can even decide how much of your position to sell when each trigger activates using the TP sell percentage and SL sell percentage settings. This is basically passive income management for Memecoin traders. In general settings, you can turn on notifications so MoonPup keeps you updated on every transaction and trade result. There's also a language selector so users around the world can work comfortably in their native language. When everything's ready, hit Start, and that's when MoonPup begins trading live. The bot follows your strategy automatically, scanning for opportunities 24/7. If you ever need to exit all trades quickly, the Sell All button does that instantly across all wallets and networks. Every action the bot performs shows up in the console. You'll see timestamps, token addresses, buy and sell results, everything logged in real time, so you always know exactly what's happening with your funds. You can try MoonPup free for 1 full day via their official Telegram bot. If you want to continue, the monthly license costs $799, and considering what it offers, that's a fair price for professional-level automation. MoonPup isn't one of those push-button miracle bots. It's a serious professional platform for people who want to grow their crypto income through automation, precision, and risk management. You still control the strategy, but the bot executes it faster, smarter, and safer than any manual trader could. If you're focused on earning in crypto and want an edge in the Memecoin market, MoonPup is absolutely worth exploring. This is Ernie, bringing you real tools to help you make real money in crypto. Subscribe for more reviews, guides, and breakdowns of the best income strategies in Web3.